What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here today. And today I'm doing a collective unboxing haul. I'm very excited to show you guys these pieces. I'm gonna be in love with these pieces, I already know. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so I brought this box from My Teresa. I'm very excited to show you guys this box. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna use my X-Acto knife to cut the box.
Sorry, I'm not looking in the camera. I'm filming on my phone as well.
They packaged it so nicely. And I'm just making a mess. Oh, I think it's a note in here. My receipt. I paid $185.09 for these sneakers. Ooh, look how they package their packages. This is cute. It says, thank you. This package has been lovely wrapped by Anna. Excuse my wire, but these are too good. Look at these shoes. Ah! This is the Converse and Owens collab. It has the zebra printing. It has 2 shoelaces on there. I'm in love. I already have an outfit in mind for these sneakers. These sneakers are chef's kiss. I'm about to try these on.
I love the gummy heart toe on here. The black and white detailing is just superb. I think I'm going to do both laces at the same time. I'm going to figure out how I want it to look. But this detailing on these sneakers is gorgeous. I love the furriness. The tongue on the sneaker is very long, like Rick Owens would be, like kind of high top. But it also conveys a Converse size sneaker. So it's just like 2 sneakers meshed together.
So this item right here is from my boyfriend. I already opened it and he was like, I want to get you something, Booze. It has a dust bag. Oh, look at this bag. This bag is too cute. I love the green accents on here, and it says Charles and Keith right here, which is cute and green. I love the marble detailing. It's like a cute little spring bag. Spring, I'm coming. This bag is so cute. The details on this bag, though, I'm gonna do it up close. It got the little feet on the bottom, so when you like sit it down somewhere, it's not just sitting on the bag, it's sitting on the feet. Next item I already cut open because it's big as hell. Let me just open it for y'all. Woo! Ciao. No! This is the UGG X Shane Oliver collection, and when I saw these boots, I fell absolutely in love, and I was like, I have to get these boots. Is heavy too.
Shane Oliver is a fashion designer, musician, and creative director based in New York. You know, I gotta put on for my city.
They come with extra padding. I feel like a hockey player. Boots. What? Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
Alright, I get it!
So these are the boots. But I'm going to leave the pricing on the top. I forgot how much the pricing was. I think these were $400. Were they $400? I think they were $400. Oh my God. I think they were $400.
What I like about these is there are many ways that you can wear the shoe. You can take off the padding, which I'm about to show you right now. You can wear it without this piece right here and leave that bottom piece on. Or you can just take everything off. Here's my 2-step. Hey, you can bring it up to the next level of the button part and wear it like that. Not me struggling. It's a very clean shoe, and I'm scared to mess these up, but I am in love with these shoes. But this is my preferred way to wear them.
Last thing I got is from Shopakira, and I love it. I'm gonna show y'all, and y'all gonna be like, yeah, that's fire. Whew. It is a coat. Look at this coat, like and it come off at the side. This is fire. The bottom piece come off. You can wear it as a long coat. You can wear it as a short coat. And this is definitely hitting. So this is the end of this unboxing collective haul. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Till next time. Peace.